Who's gonna be goalie? You. Eyes out my window. Trying to make sure that big move won't get went in though. My side is big for stand. No love, no loss. So, no man, so cousin with her. What you think I'm trying to win for? You know what? Let's make it fair. Everybody versus me. Fuck. I might be out my element. Straight up. Should've known that coming in. What's wrong with you? Bro, talk to that nigga. How is he? Look at this nigga's hair, bro. Oh my god. This nigga look like a young Michael Jackson. That shit crazy.
I felt like when you pulled up.
Guess who? Bro, fuck this, bro. You gotta stop, Nelson. Like, literally.
But I said,
what happened to you when you went to the Marine? It's like you got gay. Genuinely.
the best part of the army is just to watch dudes shower naked, bro. That's crazy. That's why you want me there. Yep.
Yeah, Thuzo, you have a blast, bro. Yeah.
Bro, this would be. Hold on.
I just want to play soccer.
Can you like can you put it up and down and shit?
Yeah, I can put it away.
Bro, that would be like the best.
Oh! But I just want to play soccer, bro. I literally just want to play soccer.
But that would be the best view ever, bro.
Bro, get the... Bro, you didn't have to demonstrate, you fucking freak ass nigga.
Garrett, do a 100-meter dash. I'll see how fast you are.
No, really? Okay, hold on.
Hey,
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I swear, I'm probably faster than y'all niggas.
No, you're not.
I don't got as...
Garrett, where you
race me.
No, I'm
Huh?
Where you get those shits at? They actually good.
Oh, for real?
That's got a builder right there.
That's
$10. Race me, bro. I promise. I'll smoke any nigga out here, bro. Who's trying to race me?
Hey, I
It's like 1,000 views right there.
Race me right now. Race me right now. Who's trying to film me? Man, what? I'm finna smoke your ass. I win. Hey, yeah, Aaron won, bro. Fuck.
All day.
Hey, Garrett, you're rolling. Garrett, you're rolling.
Huh? No, bro. Nigga, why? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Bro, I don't want to be goalie. But I don't believe that shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Who said they're gonna rotate? Huh? That's perfect. That's perfect, nigga. Shit. Where am I sitting? Do I sit on the first bench or the second one? Richie!
It's been a minute, dog.
Yes.
You got the GoPro set up?
You okay? Hey! Damn, I lost my AirPod. Switch to me, Jose. Oi! 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 Scoot down, nigga.
Whoa there, Gary.
Try to grab you.
Hey, good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
This one with the flame?
Yes.
I think I'm just gonna spectate from now.